once you avail our BitPOS MOT, you get an AI solution. Open my back office using our Chrome browser by this process. The moment you log in, you can already see under your homepage where there is a sales prompt or para siyang chat AI kung saan you can ask directly. So there are multiple questions that you can generate here. Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS. So sa video na ito, I am going to show you how BitPOS is a new step or a new solution for the future po. Kung saan BitPOS is equipped with AI assistance for your business. So paano nga ba nag-work yung AI at saka si BitPOS? And how does it benefit for your business or to you as a business owner po? So as what we have discussed a long time ago pa, all the time po, there is always a transition and evolution for technology po. So right now, we are already dealing with a lot of artificial intelligence na nakakatulong sa ating mga users. So one thing is for sure, once you avail our BitPOS MOT, you get an AI solution for your business. So let me walk you through it. So right now, a lot of business owner will always be dependent during transaction na mag-check sa kanilang back office manually, individually generating a few of the reports that the system can generate usually daily, weekly, monthly. So imagine niyo po sa setup natin here in BitPOS, we have approximately more or less 60 reports that revolves around your sales, your supplies, your inventory, your branches, if you have multiple branches locations, your banking, for your charts of accounts, and of course for your GL or general ledgers po sa lahat ng mga expense and etc. na pwede natin gawin dito sa system in regards with accounting. So how do we minimize the stress in generating a lot of reports, like 60 reports dito sa system for business owner to make it more convenient to them? Of course, we provide the cloud option where the business owner can open the back office outside the store location using their phones and using the browser. So example, in my end, I do have here my Chrome browser po, and I can open my back office using our Chrome browser by this process. Now, it's still the same, you still need to generate a lot of report. So how would you simplify this process po for our business owner? So what we provide po is a solution po in regards with AI, and that is our BitPOS Tindahan Mobile Dashboard. The BitPOS Tindahan Mobile Dashboard po is an application that can be downloaded by the business owner po directly onto their Android phones, because this is available in Play Store po. And this is a really good advantage because this BitPOS TMD comes free once you avail our BitPOS MOT kit. So ito yung isa sa mga advantage na to. The moment you log in, you can already see under your homepage where there is a sales prompt or para siyang chat AI kung saan you can ask directly towards our BitPOS TMD application po yung mga information na kakailanganin natin. So there are multiple questions that you can generate here. We have our sales, may inventory questions na pwede mong itanong, Z-reading, end of the day reading. We also have our cash positioning for your cashier, terminal sales if you have multiple terminal po, and lastly is your kitchen if you also have a kitchen printers for or kitchen display for restaurant or F&B type of businesses po. So in my end, I just wanted to generate a report or generate a direct sales report under December 2025. So I'm going to just copy paste the prompt para mas madali. And then paste it directly here. Ayan. So, lalagay ko lang. Sale daily report for December 2025. Ayan. So, let me just remove the unnecessary things here. Ayan. Alright. And then, tap ko lang siya into send. So, right now, as you can see, our AI is analyzing the data. Saan ba makukuha ng data si AI natin? This comes from your back office interface, of course, from your POS cashiering transaction, nakikita natin yan. So, based here in my back office po, meron akong data dito that I have 1,786 pesos, and this is my sale for December 1, 2025. And according to our AI, it is recorded here in December 2025, the total sales amounted to 1,786 pesos with a total profit of 1,786. The sales data shows that on December 1st, 2025, these are your totals that was achieved. So as you can see po, very user-friendly siya because you can actually use any different languages for your prompting. Pwede po siyang Tagalog, pwede pong Bisaya, English, which one na mas comfortable yung ating mga business owners. So by having this one, it makes your business owner feel at ease, of course, sa mga owners natin, and mas mabilis na po yung generation ng mga data natin. So this is very factual since this is based on your back office and sales report. So if you want to know more how our BitPOS Tindahan mobile dashboard works, which comes free from our BitPOS mobile order taking kit, so libre lang po itong app na to once you avail our MOT, please message us in our Facebook page po, and you may also book an online demo.